finished cutting off my last piece of my base for my birdhouse. Our birdhouse is gonna be kind of like a motel. It's gonna be like this, and then on the other side, I'm gonna have another house. So it'll kind of be like they'll be able to go in at the front, and there'll be two houses, like one right here and one right here. And I'm making the sides right now. So yeah. Well, I was making a birdhouse as you saw me using the hand saw. This is my birdhouse diorama. So we have the stand, which is the base, as people call it, right here. This log piece right here, cut down from a tree right outside my house, is going to be mounted on this base. And then from there, we're going to have this piece of wood. And on that piece of wood are going to be my birdhouses right next to each other. And then we're going to have our little pegs like this. It's going to be mounted on the birdhouse like that, so the birds can stand on them. And then the birdhouse, so these are going to be sideways. This is a sideways diorama. And then we're going to have the roof, which is this, mounted across that. I just drilled the 4 outside holes. Now I'm going to drill the inside holes. I'm going to put my base on top of my stand. I am using a cordless drill to drill. Find them here. These screws into these 2 small holes right here to secure the base. Here I go. Okay, so as you knew, I put in the normal screws already in the base, right here. And now I'm going to put the heavy duty ones in here to secure the base. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so I just completed the base. Now we're going to see how it stands. Now, if this isn't right, I'm going to have to do it all over again. So let's keep it hooked up. It's pretty sturdy. It'll work. So now we're going to make sure that the birdhouses can stand by putting that long piece of wood on top of here. I have determined where the holes are going to be, so now I'm going to drill them. my last side of my birdhouse. Now I'm going to assemble it. I just got done assembling my birdhouse. It was done through a series of holes, nails, and screws. Now I need to put my roof on. Like this. Now, I need to make a few measurements, and then I will assemble this. So far, I have determined that the roof of this house is going to be 15 inches long. So I'm going to mark a line, make sure I have it right. I'm going to put this on here, that. Now I'm going to hacksaw. Skill saw, I mean. So I just finished skill sawing. Okay. Just finished my last screw. Looks pretty good. Okay, I am finishing assembling the roof of my birdhouse. Okay. So now I'm going to cut the base, 15 inches, same size as the roof. So, I'm gonna draw a straight line. Ta-da! Now I need to do it. And now I'm gonna use my hacksaw to cut it.
How about if you use the skill saw instead?
Okay.
It's a little bit quicker.
I'm gonna use the skill saw. So I have drawn my round edges. Now I'm going to use this jigsaw and cut out the circular motions. Leveling the base out. Now I'm going to secure the birdhouse to the flooring, but first I have to drill my holes, which were pre-made. So now that the base is secured to the stand, see, I have now drilled 2 screws at the bottom on both sides to secure my birdhouse down. I'm going to level my birdhouse out. Now that I have secured all of these things, one more left to go. Like that. Okay, so now I am going to take all these screws out so I can lift the birdhouse up, and I can put the hole for the birds to get in and the standing. Now that we have assembled the house, we are going to find the exact measurement of where to put the hole. So it is almost 5 1/2. So that divided by 2 is 2 2/3. And so I'm gonna mark that.
2 3/4.
2 3/4. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. This is a normal drill bit. This is the drill bit we're gonna use. And voila! Okay, I just finished my bird perch on this side. Now, so my birdhouse is slightly done. Now, as you can see, I have this on this end. And I have this little peck thing, perch, on this end. And I'm going to put it back up here. Okay, I'm going to do some final touches on my birdhouse. All I have to do is nail these in, drilling my last screw into it. So my last final touch here. Okay, it's finally finished. My wonderful birdhouse.